Hey everyone, so today we're going to continue from where we stopped in the last class. So in this video we're going to do the functionality. So now if you just scroll down, okay, scrolling wheel is fine. So now what we're going to be doing is when the user scroll to the bottom of the page, then the user click on the scroll to top icon here. So it's supposed to, or it should take the user back to the top of the page. So let's start now. So this is our SQL. So we need to go to our main storyboard. So the first thing here is to assign an IB outlet to the arrow up here, this guy here. Then another IB outlet to the scroll view itself, this guy. Okay, so now let's go to editor, then you say assistant. So then let's click and drag this guy. So you can call it arrow up. Cool. So now we need the scroll view too. Scroll view. That's fine too. Okay, so you can cancel this guy now. Okay, that's fine now. So now click on the view controller. So now first thing here too is to implement or to inherit from the UI scroll view delegate. So you can say UI scroll view. UI scroll view delegate. Then make sure that this file conform to the UI scroll view delegate. Self the scroll view. Then say delegate. So okay, that's fine. Now you want to make the arrow up to icon to be clickable. So let's say now we need to achieve that we need to create a UI tab gesture organizer. So let's tap arrow up equals to what UI tab. Then so we're gonna have something like this. Make it self. It needs a selector that is a function. Okay, selector. So now so it needs a function to be triggered when the user click on the arrow up. So we need to declare a function for that. Let's obviously okay. Then Frank, I can call it scroll to top. So let's print something to test. Let's print clicked. Okay, that's fine now. So let's go back to this guy and call the function. So then the next thing is to assign this gesture to the arrow up. So now add the gesture, tap arrow. Everything should be fine now. Oh, sorry. You can build now. So we need to check something now. We need to check if the arrow up is actually if the user interaction is enabled. What's it called? There's storyboard. Then you click on this guy, this arrow up here, then check. Okay, it's already checked. If it is not checked, make sure you check this user interaction and user interaction. Okay, so let's test this now. So what we want to test now is when the user click. So you just want to test if the arrow is actually clickable. So once you click on it, it should print and clicked. Clicked. Okay, so let's view it again and run. So let's click on the arrow up and let's go back to console. Wow, it's working fine. Okay, cool. Now, so now is we want to implement a function, one of the inbuilt function for the UI scroll view. So it is called dscroll. Dscroll. So let's stop the app. So now we need to get the vertical distance. Vertical distance of scroll the content, the vertical between the vertical distance between the content where the user scroll to and the starting or like the origin of the scroll view. Okay, so you can say content set and y. So if vertical distance is greater than 20, we need to show if the vertical is greater than 20. So we need to show arrow. Okay, let me show you what the vertical distance looks like. Let me print it. The vertical distance vertical. Okay, so let's comment this out and let's build. So let's run now. So let's just scroll a little bit downward. Let's go back to let's go. Boom. You see, 4, 15, 20, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so now let's check. So let's remove the print function. Stop the app. So if the vertical distance is greater than 20, is it then we need to show the arrow up. So in the view did load, in the view the arrow up must be hidden. It must be hidden. Yeah, it must be hidden. So usually when the users try to scroll or scroll down to the page, so that's when the arrow up we shows up. Okay, so else self dot arrow up to make it true. So the last one now is when the user click on the scroll to top. So we want to set the user back to the top. When the user click on the arrow, we want to set the user back to the top of the page. So we can do that by saying self the scroll view and then dot set content. Then we need the CD points now. So 0, 0, and true. So make sure you build. So let's run again and see. Can you see the arrow up is not showing? So let's try to scroll down. Can you see it shows now? So let's click on that arrow. Boom. It's working fine. So also if you try to scroll down and also scroll up, it disappears again. So yeah. So this is going to stop today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.